I, my wife changed her mind. It took one day about the hot water heater. We took a warm shower in the morning. So, since it was so good so quick, I'm gonna change my review to a 5 star. It's still expensive. It was 600 after all the extra parts and maintenance. But I'm changing my review of the Ace Hardware acroz water heater from a 4 minus to a 5. So it should be good. Let's hopefully it inspires us to keep striving and diving and walking and talking. So this is my revised review.